up? Welcome back to my channel. How is everybody doing today? So in today's video, I'm going to be doing another BAM box unboxing video. It showed up yesterday and it looked like this. So I was like, hey, where is the black BAM horror box that I usually get? It doesn't matter, it's just a box. But so this is just what it looks like. I'm really stoked to open it. Just get on into the box. So again, like always, looks like this. You always get the BAM paper to hide everything, and all of the goodies are inside. So I'm just gonna get the cheat sheet because I always read the cheat sheet to let you guys know what everything is. Because I'm kind of anal like that, I like to know what everything is, where it's from. That's just how I am. So the prop that we got this month is from Evil Dead. Now this is from the original Evil Dead. This is a license plate from the movie. Now, it just looks like this. It just says like groovy on it. There it is. Pretty cool. I like what it looks like. Comes to worst, I don't use this, which is completely fine. I don't care. You know, when it comes to these boxes, you're not gonna like everything in the box, but this is pretty cool, and I love Evil Dead, so I don't know what I want to do with it, but it's cool. This thing is a artist select card, which we get every month too in the box. It's like a collector's card, but this one is Hannibal Lecter for this month, which is sick. Look at him. That's pretty sick. It's cool. It's cool how he has like the mask on his face so he doesn't eat people and stuff. Just take it off. Just take it off. Just let him eat people. Like, who cares, you know? He's sick. I love Hannibal Lecter. He is the shit. That is a pen, which we get every month in the box. Also, this is from the original Hills Have Eyes, the 1977 one, which I've never seen before, but I've seen the other Hills Have Eyes, the first one and the second one. I'm waiting for them to bring back that third one, but I don't know if it's gonna happen. It is really cool, very detailed. I really like this pin. Definitely gonna keep it, put it on my pin board. Pretty sick. Oh, my hands are getting hit. Next is an Artist Alley, so like a print. So this one is from the movie Santa's Sleigh. Now, I love this movie so much. Santa's Sleigh is such a good movie. I love the killings in it. It's so gruesome and like kind of funny, like just the way the killings are. And then with the Santa Claus, and then there's the head of him chopping off the person's head, and it's like dangling up in the air. Like, that is so funny. But this is just such a cool print. I'm so happy that this was one of the themes. So that's just what it looks like, and then it says Santa's Sleigh. Pretty cool. Last thing is a celebrity autograph, and they put a blue piece of tape, so I think it means leveled up. This one is from the Silent Night, Deadly Night Part 2, the 1987 one. Now, I watched this because I knew it was going to be one of the themes, and I didn't like the movie at all. I just thought it was just ridiculous. I couldn't get into it, but I really like the autograph of this movie. Evil Santa Claus boy that pretty much loses his mind and goes around killing people. Badass, I'm not gonna lie. Look at his face. Looks like me half the time. That's pretty funny. His face is really funny. From Silent Night, Deadly Night Part 2. So, oh my god, it says Punish right there. That's pretty funny because he's like an evil Santa Claus. He goes. So this is Eric Freeman on the autograph. Guys, that is everything that I got in my BAM box for December. I hope that you guys did enjoy this video. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye, guys.